Okay, so this is how you get into Kenyon Hall using the front door. There's a button right here that you press, and it opens the left side of the door, like that. Then you get in. There is this front button, this button in front here that you press, and the door will open for you. This door, yeah.
When you first walk into the classroom, you can turn on the lights over here. Press on. You can also change the lights on the back wall. You can also change the lights over here. I recommend trying out different presets because different rooms have different settings. And over here is the sun and the blackout. And over here is the controls for the projector screen to go up or down.
Alright, to turn the whole system on, we use the screen. But if the screen is off, somebody could have turned it off from the power button, which is at the back of the screen. Here is the power button next to the green light. Yeah, and you should be able to press it. Yeah. Over here. So if you want to start the system, you should first touch the screen. When you touch the screen, the projector goes on and the screen also comes down.
Okay, so when you have the system on, one difficult thing is when you press on the screen. You'll see the computer screen has become full screen. However, this does not mean that it's touchscreen, because if you touch it again, you'll go back to the controls. And over here, you can change the input, turn off the system, change the volume, or make the image blank.
For the signing in part, there is a username here on the screen, class guest, and the password too is on the screen, VC guest lecturer. So just okay, and after you've signed in, as you can see, the computer turns on, and yeah, you can go ahead. Okay, so please don't forget to sign out before you shut down the system, and I want to show you how to sign out. On the screen, the top left part, there's an Apple icon. You click on it, and there's some options that will pop up. You scroll to the bottom option that says Logout Class Guest. Then you press on it, and that is how you log out. So for the keyboard is a wireless keyboard, which means that you can unplug the wires from it and move around with it around the classroom, wherever you want to use it. And yeah, but afterwards you have to plug it back in. Yeah. Just like that. And like that. Yeah.
Here, this is the HDMI input for your laptop, so you can connect your laptop to the projector. And here is the USB to connect your memory sticks. And inside we have the computer, the Mac Mini. And if you have any problems, you can restart by pressing the on and off button on the right corner.
Okay, so when you're done and when you want to turn off the computer and it's in the computer mode, like as you see right now, you first press onto it, and then you have the sign here saying system power, which if you press it, you can turn off the system. Then you press yes, and then the system turns off. Okay, done. Yes. When you turn off the system, the projector screen goes up, and the projector also turns off.